Damn, avalanche? Oh, shit. Oh, they couldn't get the cargo. Oh, no way!
Oh, no!
No way! Oh, shit!
Mayday!
Mayday! Oh my... Damn, he doesn't have a helmet on either.
He got hit by the rock.
Oh, shit.
Go. I won't make it.
Yes, you will. Come on.
Dead weight.
I know.
What he said earlier. Now
Yeah, what did he say?
He has to decide. No, yeah, that's the decision.
He carries him. Yeah.
He said about dead weight, and now he's
changing.
there's change. Finally,
Character development for Crosshair. We love it.
I'm happy.
I am as well.